Okay, me, the dogs, and Casey are out for a walk. Absolute beautiful evening, spring day. Thanks, dogs. I knocked my beer over. And Casey was ahead of me as we were walking through the field. And Casey said, "Holy crap." And I said, "What?" And show me what you found. That's freaking crazy. His first official elk shed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 point. And technically the first brown shed I've ever found. I've never found a fresh one. There might have been an old stain of blood, drop of blood, but it's definitely fresh. That's freaking cool, Casey. What are you going to do with it?
I don't know.
Put it in your bedroom.
Yeah.
Cool.